Hello and welcome to DX Shakariki Sports Gashat. Released in around mid-September and cost around $20 without shipping or tax. It's actually a good price. Shipping cost from Japan is not that cheap, and some other things you don't need to know is actually cost a bit more if you find it on eBay normally. But I got this for $27 with shipping. Good price. It's from what I heard, it's about the same. I can't compare, but from what I heard, it's the same size with Gaia Memories. Gaia Memories, if you do watching this for the first time, it is basically the gizmo for W after the season decay. If you follow it. Basically, this box is really simple. Here is Kamen Rider Gem, the main, I'm guessing, villain of the season, because I do not know about it coming up. Here's the Gashat, which is the, I'm gonna continue on at the top of the box, which I did show earlier. It is the Gashat and the game driver. On this side, it is Shakariki Sport Kamen Rider X8, the current season. If you don't recognize this, and you're not a gamer, it's basically one of the game controls in one of the Nintendo's early history. And GD stands for game drive. That's what I presume. Back here, it is saying where you can find information or no. Well, here is where the other two locations you can try to get Shadow. And here's just some random information you don't need to know. And here is Kamen Rider. If you catch, it's pretty much, it's really hard to read, but I caught from the series. It's called Kamen Rider Game, but it's Kamen Rider Game. You know, it's confusing if you ask me just how to say it. It's level 2. And right here is the logo for Kamen Rider Game. Move this aside. Moving this forward. I might turn off the light because it would help a lot. Both lights. It would start off with Shakariki Sports, I think, or Winning or Losing Voice. That was just the losing noise. And that's the win. Okay. Honestly, this also, I like the. You might turn on. I like the art here because it is representing each Morphed, and it's act like a real game cartridge. If you have you seen those Game Boy cartridges or one of those, one of those SNES, I would say look at it around because it's hovering around internet now. You know, the good thing is it's like the older days. This says what it is. Man, and it's getting tired. You know, it's Shakariki Sports when you enter. Wait, and this is really manipulative. Yeah, that's. What's the name? I might show it this way much easier because this is when you insert it, it would hit this side, or if you were looking for me, it's this one. It's really hard to show it. I might try this. Oh yeah, if you for Kamen Rider game, it is for this one. It is level used for level 3, not level 1 or 2, which you can use. I just show you level 1 and level up, which was good. I might try again now. No. Yep. Yep. For level 3 transformation now, it hits the right button, then the left. It wouldn't happen if you do it right only. Yeah. This is for the other Gashat would enter earlier. I might redo it again, but I will explain more carefully. Basically, it would make the sound level up, then empty sound would you heard earlier while I was talking is for the other Gashat, like level 1, and then it would enter to level 3 afterwards. I might try this through. Yep, here's the bike. Shakariki Sports on the left, but it's in reflector mode. And my computer, and it's well by. Oh yeah, for final attack, when you put it into that thing on the near the holder, it would do a final attack like rider kick, or for this one, critical finish or something. You need to put these two together, like this. No, don't be like what I did, but do it at the same time. Press the black here where I pressed the first time, and then it's setting up. I'm pretty sure it's click and load. Yeah, Japanese people who watch this channel can type in the comment below what it actually means. Critical strike! Yep, this one thing I enjoy this is about it's games more. If you're a gamer and like Kamen Riders or new to the series, I would highly recommend to get this. And I want, highly recommend it. And it's easily use carryable. Like if you do this, you can do this easily. Not like what I did. Yeah. Some people would blame me in the comments below. I would say this is one of the best items is to use. W onwards I use gimmicks like this one is Gashat. For W, which I don't have, it's pretty simple with sounds, and a punk of plastic as the belt. I would say that's actually smart. WOs, I'm okay with it. They use metals, but they use the scanner as a memory thing. WOs, 4s use pin system, but I enjoy that because it use a bunch. O's, 4s, wizard, got yeah. Force wizard, Gaim. Wizard use rings, but the rings must have multiple use. Like it's always just a hunk of junk. Same with force, you need, but it's force more like active than more clicks you can do. Wizard is one or no. Wizard dime, you can make noise like this. It costs around, from what I heard, the same cost as these. Not the cheapest, but it's really high quality. Force wizard drive, I would say they use a semi, like only one flick and then insert. You can do this, insert directly in, or yeah. Ghost, the only thing I like about ghost icons is top like this, what it says it is, and the button clicky. It's really clicky. I would highly recommend this, and I would see you later on the next review and gameplay. I will see you later on AFL Studio 1.